Hi, Jonathan. For today, we're going to be working on goal number 1. This is your IEP goal number 1. Jonathan will listen to a reading passage and accurately identify the main idea to summarize material with 75% accuracy. Entonces, hoy vamos a leer una historia chiquita y Jonathan nos va a decir de qué se trató la historia. Entonces, vamos a pasar para acá. Y dice la historia. Once upon a time, there was a little girl. She was smart and very pretty. She always got hundreds in school. She said she wanted to be a doctor when she grew up. Ok, entonces ahora va en español. Una vez había una niña chiquita y era muy inteligente y muy bonita. Y ella siempre se sacaba 100 en la escuela. Y ella quería ser doctor cuando creciera. Entonces, let's see. What is the main idea of the story? ¿De qué se trató la historia, Jonathan? A girl that wanted to be a doctor? Or a girl that wanted to go to the zoo? She wanted to be a doctor or she wanted to go to the zoo. Which one? So point to your answer, A or B.